Do you like what you are saying? Do you like it? I know you are salivating already. Welcome back to Annie's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today I'll be sharing with you how I prepare this pepper gizzard. Okay? Here I have my gizzard. It's already washed. I've washed it several with water and salt to remove every dirt in it. Here are the spices I will be using to marinate it. 1 cube of knor for seasoning, curry mixed with thyme, and my mixed spices is combined of dry onion, seed leaves, and bay leaves. I have my salt and grated ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'll be adding it inside the gizzard to mix it very well so that it will marinate. I'm adding my maggi, then the onion. I'll add water to it to cook it. Okay, I will now give it a little stir to marinate well, for the ingredients to marinate well. Okay, I will now cover and put some fire. It's already on fire, as you can see. I will now leave it to cook. So I'll be preparing my peppers now for the pepper mix. I have my bell pepper, 2 balls of onion, and 1 Scottish pepper. The pepper is very hot, that's why I'm using just 1. Okay, I'm using the green pepper for garnishing. You can add more pepper and fresh tomato also. I'm using just this one because the gizzard is small. Okay, so you can use more pepper or tomato depending the quantity of your gizzard. Okay, so I've added the bell pepper. Now adding the onion. I'll add the pepper too. I will blend it very well, not too very well, and keep it aside. Over here I'll be cutting my green bell pepper for garnishing. You can give your own cut any shape you like or any size. Okay, this is the size and the shape I like to cut it. I will cut it and keep it aside too. I will now check my gizzard to see if it has cooked. Yeah, the gizzard has cooked. It has cooked. It's now tender, very soft. So I will now cover it and prepare my pan to fry the garnish. To fry the gizzard, sorry. Okay, I'm using girasole. The oil is very good. It's cholesterol free. That's what I'm now adding the gizzard to fry it. You can fry your gizzard any way you want. You can deep fry it or you can just fry it a little. Okay, I like frying my own very well. I like deep frying it, so that's the way I'm going to fry it. You can fry in your own choice, the way you like it. Okay, so for our men here, this is weekend. You don't need to spend your money in going to bar. I don't know how much they are selling 1 stick of gizzard now, because then it was 15 and 100 naira. Now things are very hard. I don't know how much they are selling it now. So instead of you to spend money buying just 1 stick of gizzard for 100 naira or 200 depending, it's better you give your money to your wife or your girlfriend to buy it in quantity and prepare for you. Okay, you save that money, buy beer and drink it with. Okay, my gizzard is now ready. I will reduce the oil and now fry my sauce. I've added my onion. I'll stir fry it a little for the sauce to combine. Sorry, for the taste to get inside the oil. Okay, before frying, I'll now add my pepper and I'll stir together. I will stir it very well. I'm thanking my return subscribers and my new ones. If this is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel, Let me give you a welcoming kiss. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you all. So I just cover it to cook for a little while before adding my spices. Okay, now I'm adding the curry mixed with thyme. I will now add 1 more cube of knor for seasoning. I will give it a quick stir. I will stir very well for the spices to combine and integrate. Okay, stir, 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 stir. Okay, now I'll be adding my green bell pepper for garnishing. I'll give it a little stir also, and then add my gizzard. You wouldn't want your sweet pepper to cook very well, so it won't get too done. So after adding it, just add your gizzard, give it a quick stir, and cover it. The fire on the stew or the sauce we get done on the bell pepper, okay, to get to for the garnishing, so you wouldn't need it to. So after giving it a quick stir, can you hear the voice of my baby boy in the background? He's singing because he knows that the gizzard is getting ready. He likes it very well. Then cover it and put off your stove. Our gizzard is ready, as you can see, very yummy. Prepare this kind of chewable gizzard for yourself and enjoy your weekend with your family, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.